This is a simplified interpretation of Defying Gravity from the movie Wicked. I got it capoed to appear on the 6th fret. Everything I say will be relative to capo, so if I say I'm playing a G, it's going to look like this. Intro is something like this. All in a G chord, so it's a G in the bass. C, B, A, G. And then you start the melody. I'm mainly just playing bass notes and melody notes. This first chord is a G, so I'm playing a G in the bass, and a G in the melody, 4th fret on the 4th string, G, and then you move to a C chord. And with that C chord, it's a D, G, open G, 4th string, which is on the E note, 2nd fret, and then you lift that to get a D note. So the first 2 chords are, and then you go back to the G, repeat, and then to the C, and there for the C chord it's E, D, D. So these first 4 chords are G, C, G, C. Then you repeat the G, and then for the C you do this. What you're doing there is D, so 2nd, 3rd, 4th strings, walk back up, and then still staying on the C chord. It's G, F sharp, E, D, and then open, G, and then you move to an F chord, playing the A note as your melody, which is 2nd fret on your 3rd string. And when I say playing an F chord, you're just playing like an E chord moved up 1. You're just playing strings 5, 4, and 3. So the second half is. Staying on the F chord, you're just playing the 4 inside strings. You're not playing strings 1 and 6. And the melody is C, C, B. And then you go to a G chord. And the melody there is G, A, G. So these first two chords of this part are. Back to the F chord again. And this time for the G, it's, which is B, E, both open, D. So these first four chords of the F part are. And then you go back to F. And then you go to a C. And there for the C chord, you're hitting a C in your bass. And you're hitting G, A, G. And then you go to a D chord with an F sharp bass. You just walk up from the A note, B, D, E, F sharp to the defying gravity. So this whole F run is. The defying gravity part is an E minor, so you're hitting the G there as your melody. Open B, go to the C chord, hitting a D as your melody, and then open third string, G, and then D chord. And D chord is the D in your bass, and a B, A for your melody. And you can walk back up to the E minor, C, and do as many variations on this as you like. G, B, G, B, A, B, A, G. And down. I have not attempted to arrange the unlimited part in the middle. You can play around with that if you like.